Good food isn't always good looking, but French toast is, and it's actually really easy to make. And it's delicious with Nutella and English custard on top. First, you need some brioche. Then, in a container, mix an egg with milk and sugar. Put the brioche in and give it a good shake. Now, let's make the custard. In a pan, add 20 centiliters of milk and some vanilla extract. While that's heating, mix 2 egg yolks with 40 grams of sugar. Then, add the warm milk to the bowl in 3 parts, mixing each time. This is important because it will prevent the egg from cooking too fast. Put it back on the stove and keep stirring until the custard thickens and doesn't run off the spatula. The last step is to cook the brioche. Make sure to use a low heat so it doesn't burn. And that's it, guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And maybe I can get a better mic and accent.